Hello, Namaste. This is your host Raman once again. So in our lecture 1, we have seen some Hindi sentences. हमने कुछ हिंदी वाक्य देखे थे मेरे पहले लेक्चर में. अब इसमें हमने देखा कि माई सेल्फ सेंटेंसेस, अपने लिए वाक्य. So I will continue with the with this next, which is now our next part. So we have seen I, my, this, we, and our sentences. Now let's talk about yourself. Yourself. Your means tum, aap. When we talk about someone else, we call yourself. Your, aapke. When we talk in respect, we say aapke. And when we normal talk with our close friends or our juniors, we call तुम्हारे. तुम्हारे या आपके बारे में. So first we will see you. So you is a word which is used in English language, and whether it is elder, whether it is younger, or whether it is same age, we use you word. But in Hindi we use tum. Basically tum is little respectful. When you give little respect to anyone, whether it is elder or younger or of your same age. Tu is used for the person who is very close to you, or you are very elder to them. This is little in the informal way, or little less respect as compared to tum. So we say तू क्या कर रहा है? What are you doing? So what are you doing? You word is used here. So you is tum, tu, aap. So all are having the same Hindi meaning. तुम क्या कर रहे हो? तू क्या कर रहा है? आप क्या कर रहे हो? So aap is very respectful. So if you are talking to your elders, or if you are talking to some unknown person, in Hindi you use aap. So you, tum, tu, or aap. Same way, your. Your means तुम्हारा, that is very respectful. या आपका. तुम्हारा, आपका is comes under a very respect way when you are talking to someone by saying this is your phone. ये आपका phone है. It means when you are talking to some unknown person, when you are talking to your elder, or sometimes when you are talking to your juniors, or you want to give some respect, there is no close relation, then you use तुम्हारा or आपका. And when it is totally informal, or you are talking to your friends or your juniors, you use तेरा, तेरा. Next is he and she. In English we use he and she for male and female, but in Hindi we use वह, वह. It most of the time it is used the same, irrespective of whether you are indicating it's female or male. You use he or she as वह, वह, him. Him in English we use to represent a male, and Hindi we represent with uska, usse. So when we use uska, ka is basically used for male and ki is used for female. So him, उसका या उससे, उससे. her is representing female, so we say uski, uski, usse, and in both for male and female we use usse. There is very similar words we have his, uska, so we use in different context. Uska, uska, they means we are talking about many people, and again it is irrespective of male or female. वे, their, उनका, that is again irrespective of male or female. उनका, उनका. So I hope if you see this particular part of the video again, then you will be very familiar with you or yourself kind of sentences. Now let's use in sentences. Sorry, in the words in the previous slides. Now we are talking about sentences. Sentences, वाक्य. What means क्या? What is means है, that we have seen last time. What is your means आपका. So if you are talking first time to anyone, it's always preferable to talk in that way. What is your name? आपका name क्या है? Name means नाम. In Hindi we call नाम. आपका, आपका. What is your name? आपका नाम क्या है? आपका नाम क्या है? Where means in Hindi we called कहाँ. Actually it should be here Chandra Bindu. Where means कहाँ. Live mean रहते. रहते. So where do, actually that is a question mark, right? Interrogation. Where do you live? You means आप. And if you are talking in someone who is very close to you, then you can say तुम कहाँ रहते हो और तू कहाँ रहता है. So but here, where do you live? आप कहाँ रहते हो. It's not है, it should be हो. आप कहाँ रहते हो. And this dot in the end, which is full stop, is our halant. आप कहाँ रहते हो. आप कहाँ रहते हो. कहाँ is where. His father is a doctor. His, उसके. His, उसके. Father in Hindi we call पिता or पिताजी. So it's better to put G, but for now I am putting just पिता. His father, उसके पिता डॉक्टर हैं. Doctor in Hindi we called Vaid. Actually this is not, it should be like this, the, but I think I could not find that particular letter, so I put Vaid. उसके पिता वैद्य हैं. वैद means doctor. उसके पिता वैद्य हैं. हर, उसकी, मदर, माता और माता जी. If you want to give a respect to some person, then you use G or G letter of the English alphabet, or JI you can say. Uski mata ji you can write, but here I am using only mata. Her mother, uski mata, is in India. So in our previous lecture we have seen that in means when we talk about some country or living place, then we call रहते हैं या रहता है. So her mother, उसकी माता, lives or in India. India means भारत. In means में, रहती हैं. उसकी माता भारत में रहती हैं. We'll put हैं dot. उसकी माता भारत में रहती हैं. This means यह. This book belongs to him. This, यह book, किताब, उसकी है. This, see here, उसकी we have used. I have not used उसका है, because here the subject is kitab, and kitab is we treat as a female category. यह किताब उसकी है. This book, यह किताब उसकी है. उसकी belongs to him. Actually this is one which represents उसकी. यह किताब उसकी है. They means more than one people, and Hindi we called we. They all, वे सभी, all means सभी. They all arrived means पहुंच. So this is wrong. पहुंच. They all arrived. वो सभी पहुंच गए. वे सभी पहुंच गए. So they all arrived. Arrived means पहुंचना. They all arrived. Here I used गए. So we will talk about this in one context, in which context we need to use गए, this kind of ending of the sentences. But for now, they, my main emphasis on they. They means when we are talking about more than one person. I hope this tutorial helps you to understand how to use you yourself sentences. If you like it, then I will request you to subscribe to watch more videos. Thank you. Bye for now. Namaste.